Login failed on Betterment Fix. You open your Betterment app to check your investments, but instead of your balance, you see login failed. It's annoying, but here's the good news: this problem is usually simple to fix. In most cases, it's not your password that's the problem at all. The surprising truth is that login failure on Betterment are often caused by outdated app version, weak internet connections, or two-factor authentication mismatches. Let's go step by step to get you logged back in. First, check if Betterment is down. Go to Betterment's official status page or search Betterment status online. If their servers are under maintenance or facing issues, your best move is to wait. Your account is secure and will be accessible once service is restored. If everything looks normal, check your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login request before it reaches Betterment's servers. Next, update your app. Go to your app store, search for Betterment, and tap Update. Older versions often lose compatibility after system updates, causing login errors. If that doesn't work, clear your cache or reinstall the app. On Android, open Settings, tap Apps, choose Betterment, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app for a clean, fresh connection. Now, if you use two-factor authentication, make sure your phone's time and date are set to automatic. Betterment's codes are time-sensitive, and even a few seconds mismatch can make them invalid. If your account has been locked after several failed attempts, go to Betterment.com and click Forgot Password. You'll receive a secure reset link to regain access. In most cases, updating your app, checking your network, and verifying your time settings solve the issue right away. So the next time Betterment says login failed, don't stress. Follow these simple steps, stay calm, and you'll be back in your account growing your investments and staying on track with your financial goals in no time.